Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki ZPro 125. This mini moto, 4-speed, fuel injected, only has 97 miles on it. Beautiful metallic black color. It's like brand new. Come on by, make your mini motorcycle dreams come true with this awesome fuel injected 125 ZPro. $29.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.